So in this EQ Bank tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to set up direct deposit here on the EQ Bank application. So once the app's opened up, this bottom bar where it says dashboard transfer bills deposit, go ahead and select transfer. And then you want to go ahead and select right here at the bottom, deposit money. It'll then bring you to this page right here where you can select how to deposit money. In this case, if you want to turn on direct deposit, so if you want to link like your paychecks or whatever, go ahead and select the second option that says direct deposit. Then once you're on this screen right here, you can go ahead and view your direct deposit information. So you can see the transit number, institution number, the account number, etc. You can also download a void check if you want as well right here. So if they want a void check, you press on download, you can provide it that way, and you can go ahead this way to setting up direct deposit. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to set up direct deposit on EQ Bank. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.